Pali LookOut. I'm not sure if we can get out the car or not, but let's see. We're almost there. I think. Where is the sign? It's windy, huh? It's so cool here. Woohoo! We are here. The parking lot is $7, and then lots of parking right here. And let's come here. It's about $7 for parking, so no worry. They have boat like this to pay. Okay, I'm gonna help my son take a picture right now. Okay, let's go and look. It's so windy and it's not hot today. I like it. Look at all these trees. Look at how green this is. Don't you guys like greens? Green is beautiful. Wow. Nice. They say area closed. This area, just don't go in there, okay? And no jump. I wish I can wear my jong. Lots of tourists come here. Mosquito bite, that's what they say. I mean, I don't know what they say. I'm just guessing because there's a huge bite in here. No hiking over there, okay? And then he said it's worth this to come here. Those are rock. Up there, a mountain. And let's see what Huha said to you. Let's squeeze this. I'm not sure how to read. My English is not good, and especially when you write Hawaii, I don't know how. Yeah, you can understand. You could pause my video and read. And you can fall down the walk, okay? So be extra careful when you guys come up. And here another lady. I don't know what it means. I don't know what. Oh, so windy. Something about the water. Canopy, middle level, something. And then let's take a look at what is this say? 2023. Oh, they have in Hawaiian language and English. How beautiful is that? And then right here, Mahapana is Hawaiian culture site. Show respect. Okay, we respect. Thank you so much. And just be careful, don't fall down. Now up, here we go. Whoa, whoa, do not fall down, please. Ooh, ooh. Are we high in the mountain? No, but what's so windy? I don't know. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Look at how gorgeous this is. Whoa, it's so beautiful. Look at that mini mansion right there. Oh, wow. Very, very nice. The ocean, the city. We're kicking over there. Hello, hi. Oh, windy. Look at that one big mountain. Is that King Kong? This is where King Kong is. Look at everybody here. You can go down there and take a picture, but I don't know if we're gonna do that or not. And then you can pretty much see the same whole city right here. Right here. Check out my hair. Check out my hair. My baby, and my another baby. Two baby. All right, thank you very much. This is beautiful. Halaho. Something, thank you. I don't know how to say. Thank you so much. Bye bye.